Hello and welcome, it's Jelly Cube. I'm on another mission today to have a go at something different. It's kind of puddle pours and in lots of absolutely gorgeous metallic colours. Some will be custom colours, but I'm going to put them in here and do a complete abstract piece and see what I end up with. This particular colour was the Pearl White by Global, so it's a metallic pearl, and now for the metallic copper. So I've got lots of lovely colours going in here, and I'm laying them in that puddle fashion. You will, I'll just jump in as I need to and just watch the magic happen, because I haven't done one like this for a little while and I was super excited with the results. I just love it, love it, love it. So we have got a metallic gold in there. This is a sand, it's kind of like a sandy colour. So adding some neutral colours in there, but look at that earthy goodness. It's just beautiful. I'm loving it already. Thinking, oh, maybe I can just leave it like this, but obviously the paints would be too thick to leave it like this. So as my pop of colour, I've got that cerulean blue. Is it called cerulean blue? Anyway, it's a lovely ocean blue, and I think that it's gonna, well, I think I've definitely used the ocean, this blue, with those lovely earthy metallics before, and it's worked perfect. So we'll just see how it does in this one. Gosh, my dogs are noisy, sorry. So this colour going in now is the phthalo blue. It's the darker one. So I'm hoping that this will, really lift it up and give it some awesome effects. Well, I know that it gives it awesome effects, so we'll get on with it. Okay, now heading for the super swipe. All my paints there are mixed, my global paints mixed with my Keep It Simple pouring medium at the recommended mixture, and then just this colour is mixed with the Australian Floetrol, so I'm going to do an Aussie swipe over it and just see the awesome results just pop up from this. And actually close up, the cells are unbelievable. They're really, really beautiful. So couldn't be happier with this. So just watch the magic happen. Wow, wow, wow. So enjoyable um, doing this technique. I really love it. And doesn't it just come up with the most amazing results? I think I'll bring you down closer to have a look at them in a few seconds. But this lovely palette knife as well that Fluid Art Co sent me is certainly a really good tool for this kind of swipe. Oh my goodness, just look at this. You cannot see that detail, can you, whatsoever when I'm filming? It certainly doesn't look like this, what you see. So I kind of don't know how I can get my cinematography or my videoing to show these details as I'm actually doing the swipe, because just look at it. It is really something special. So it's definitely a pseudo bloom or Michita's bloom. I can so much do this bloom quite well, but I can't do the real bloomy bloom. But loving it. So see what the dry products are like hanging, and I love it. So nice. The wall app that I use is called Wall Picture App. There's a link down below if you want to get this kind of wall app for your photos, because it gives you lots of ideas how they'll look hanging, how they will look if you have a print done and blown up to a much larger size. You see how awesome they can look. All right, take care, my lovelies. Bye for now.